Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Pulse. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install CentOS in VirtualBox. We'll start by creating a new virtual machine and then we'll install CentOS onto it properly. It's going to be a complete beginner-friendly tutorial, so make sure you watch till end to avoid any setup errors. Now, first of all, open Google Chrome and here type CentOS and click on this CentOS project. Now click on the download option. An interface like this would appear. Now there are two streams of CentOS currently, CentOS stream 10 and 9. I would suggest you that you download the 9 stream as it is a more stable option and its community is very strong. So if you have any problems, you can always find solutions online. As compared to the 10, the CentOS stream 10 is not that stable. I mean, you can download it still and it will most probably fulfill all your purposes, but it is not that much stable because it is still in development. So I would suggest you that download the CentOS Stream 9. From the architecture section, download this architecture x86-64 and ISO or select the option ISO as we are going to mount it in virtual machine. Select this option mirrors. Click on it. And the download will appear. Now, well, as you can see, it is a big download, so it's going to take some time, so just wait patiently. Let's start downloading. And well guys, our download is completed. Let's go to our download section. Here you can see CentOS Stream 9 is downloaded. So now let's open VirtualBox and create a virtual machine in it. Open your Oracle VirtualBox which you have already installed. Now click on this option new here in order to create a new virtual machine. Now we'll name our virtual machine. You can name it anything you want, but please make sure don't leave spaces between the name. Your name should be written like this with no spaces. Now this is the default VM folder. You can change it if you want. Now select the ISO image. I will select the ISO image of CentOS which we just downloaded. Select it, open it. Now the ISO image is mounted. Now uncheck this box, proceed with unattended installation. Now leave everything default. Now specify the hardware. Now we will give hardware resources to our VM. This is the amount of RAM which we are allocating. At least allocate 4 GB of RAM to your virtual machine, otherwise it would be very slow. Obviously it depends upon your resources. You can give it more if you have more resources, but please at least give 4 GB, otherwise your virtual machine will be very slow. I have more RAM, so I would allocate it at least 8 GB of RAM. Now these are the amount of threads which we are allocating the virtual machine. Again, at least give 2 threads to it. Most old laptops have 4 threaded CPUs. So at least give 2 threads to it, because otherwise it would be very slow. In my case, I have 8 threads, so I will give 4 threads to it. And well, leave this box unchecked. And here, this is basically the virtual hard drive which we are allocating to our virtual machine. It's like we have a 256 GB SSD in our systems, 500 GB SSD. It's basically like that. So by default it is 20 GB. I would suggest you give at least 35 to 40 GB if you have the space. Otherwise, yes, 20 GB is also fine. It depends upon your usage scenario. But at least give 20 GB. Do not give it less than 20 GB. And well, yes, click on finish. Our VM is now created. Now go to settings and click on expert here. And now just go to systems, unselect this floppy option. We don't use floppy drives anymore. Now go to display option and increase the video memory to 128 MB. And now click on serial ports. If your PC supports USB 3.0, then select USB 3.0 here. And click on OK now. Our virtual machine is totally set up and it's ready to run now. Click on start. And now our virtual machine is powered on. Now first of all, let me tell you how to use your mouse and keyboard inside the virtual machine. For using it first time, just move your mouse over the virtual machine screen and press left click, and now your mouse and keyboard, you can use both of these inside your virtual machine. Now to toggle your mouse between virtual machine and your main machine, you can just simply press control from the keyboard, right control from the keyboard. Press right control. Now your mouse and keyboard is back in your main machine, and if you want to move it again into your virtual machine, just press right control again. Now let's install the CentOS. Press this, install CentOS Stream 9, enter, and now our installation has started. And now we installed the CentOS installer. If you want to know that how I switch to full screen mode, then for that purpose just press control, right control plus F. Right control F will toggle your full screen mode on and off. Now select English language from here, or whatever language you want to install it in. Click continue. Now we'll make a user inside CentOS just like we make in Windows. Click on user creation. Write your name here. I will just write my VM. Make this user administrator. Give your password here. If you are giving a weak password, then you have to press this done 2 times, once and twice. Now in CentOS there is also a root account, which basically is the administrator account above all the administrator accounts. Like it is the root of your PC. All the functions and permissions are given to it, and all other user accounts are basically under it. Now open this root password. For now, just give a good password to it too. Whatever you want to give, you can give. It depends upon you. Keep these boxes unchecked. Now click on done. Obviously the password was weak, so we press the done 2 times. Now click on this installation destination and click on done. And there you go. Now your setup is completed. Now click on begin installation. And now this installation can take different times depending upon the resources which you allocated to your virtual machine. So just wait patiently now. And there guys, our CentOS is completely and successfully installed. Now just click on reboot the system and let it reboot, and then it will take you to your login page. Now click on my VM and enter the password which you gave. Now we are inside the CentOS. Welcome to CentOS stream. You can take a tour if you want, see the basic functionalities. So from here, let's go into settings and let's make the display bigger according to your screen resolution. You can select, click on apply, keep changes. And well guys, this is your CentOS. This is your browser. This is the terminal in which you can give commands, files and softwares, and show all applications which are installed. Well guys, this was pretty much it for this video. Then I hope you understood every step which we performed in this video, and if at any step or at any point you faced any difficulty or you have any query about it, then please ask those queries in the comment section. I will try my best to reply them. And well, if you guys find these videos I make helpful, then please like these videos and subscribe to my channel. And also the resources which I used in this video, the CentOS stream which we downloaded, I will leave its link down in the description. You can also download it from there too. And well, thank you guys for watching the video. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye.